Do you know how I open this kind of parcel? I don't have a knife, so get some scissors. And I just realized I can't use my left hand. Hang on. There we go. Okay, finally we can open this naughty boy up. This is taking for a while. Holy moly, look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. My dreams come true, man. So this is the keyboard box. Damn, it looks so nice, to be honest. Let's open it. Holy cow, holy cow, holy cow. It's wrapped in this plastic. Oh my god. I've never seen a really good packaging before, and it's really light. It's surprisingly light for a keyboard. Or it's just me, I don't know. And we got some cable as well. See? Cable. If you don't know what it's cable in. And some risers. You know, the keyboard stand. And also extra red switches, in which I think this kind of sucks. Probably. And there we go. Let's open this guy. And here we got some manual. I'm probably gonna read it since I'm so new to keyboards or mechanical keyboards. I'm using that shitty laptop over there, so yeah, I'm kind of poor. So I put up the riser, and it's actually really nice. Like, dude, this is awesome. And this is the cable and the keycap puller and the switch puller. Yeah, the cable is quite long, to be honest. And yeah. By the way, do you know that this keyboard is hot-swappable? That's why they provided this keycap puller and the switch puller. Let me show you how. Usually you just put the switch puller like this and like take it out. Yeah, there you go. And now you can see the switch. The switch you can take it out by using this part. Put it at the middle of it. There you go. Yeah, now we have the switch. This is the red switch. It's kind of the same as Gateron, but not Gateron. By the way, if you want to put the switch again, just make sure the pins are correct and put it on the right hole. And when you tap on it, there's like click. If it doesn't click, that means your switch is broken and you need to buy a new one. No worries, not that expensive. And I got some extra switches here. I bought 2 pieces each for Osu. I got Gatron Blue, Gatron Silent Red, and Kyle Speed Silver. Wanna see the gameplay with these switches? Let's go. Dude, I'm so bad. What the hell?